How to fix Arc server not showing up. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Arc server not showing up. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you find that your Arc server is not showing up in the in-game browser list, do not worry. So the first step before you start is be aware that servers can take down between 5 to 10 minutes to start. You can confirm that the server has started when the CPU usage drops to around 50% and the RAM usage is at approximately 2 to 3 GB. Next, keeping up with updates. Arc Survival Evolved is known for frequent updates. In 2023, the game has been updating 4 to 5 times per day, and it's crucial to keep your server updated as well to ensure it's showing up in the listings. To update your server, tap on the Stop on your service option, and then click the Steam Update button and wait for it to finish. Next, start your server. If your server still does not show up, the issue might be with the in-game browser listing. There is a known bug that sometimes prevents servers from being displayed to all users. This bug affects only the in-game browser and not the Steam list. The next fix is using Steam server listings. If the in-game browser is not showing your server, you can use the Steam server listings as an alternative. The first step to use is access the server list. Right-click the Steam icon on your PC and select Servers. The next step is navigate to the Internet tab. So once the server window opens, click on the Internet tab to view all the list of servers. Next, step 3 is adjust your settings. At the bottom of the window, change your settings to the following. The step 4 is find and join your server. Scroll through the server list and find your server. Once you find it, double-click on it to join. If this method still does not work for you, then contact the support team. Provide the support team with the necessary details regarding your server issue, and they will help you in fixing your issue. So this is how you can fix Arc server not showing up. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.